Hello everyone, a new IPO is opening on 17th July. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Netweb Technology Limited Incorporated. In 1999, Netweb Technologies India Limited provides high-end computing solutions, HCS. Netweb Technologies HCS offerings comprise high-performance computing, supercomputing HPC systems, private cloud and hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI, AI systems and enterprise workstations, high-performance storage, HPS enterprise storage system, solutions, data center servers, and software and services for our HCS offerings. IPO will open on 17th July, closing on 19th July, allotment 24th July, and listing will be on 27th July. Price band is 475 rupees to 500 rupees. Lot size is of 30 shares. Total issue size is 631 crore rupees, out of which fresh issue is of 206 crore rupees. Rest is offer for sale. Company financials looks good. Return on equity is 68.01. Company will utilize the issue for funding capital expenditure requirements for civil construction of the building for the surface mount technology, SMT, line and interior development, and purchase of equipment machinery for the new SMT production line, SMT line. Funding of long-term working capital requirements. Repayment or prepayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings, and general corporate purposes. Strengths of the company are: the company is one of India's leading Indian origin-owned and controlled OEM for HCS with integrated design and manufacturing capabilities. Netweb has been able to grow both its revenue and profit without any external equity funding from strategic investors or private equity funds, and without high leverage from lenders. Risks involved are: delays in customer payments and receivables may adversely impact the company's profits and affect its cash flows. Failure to meet quality standards for the company's product and solutions offering required by its customers may lead to the cancellation of existing and future orders and expose it to warranty claims, including monetary liability.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.